What's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech 4K. This is the third ever episode of Tech 4K, and I think this is actually going to be the best one yet. That's because today I'm doing an unboxing of the AM Pro 2 mechanical keyboard. And yes, that is a Pixel 4a casually resting on the box. I was able to get my hands on one of those today at Best Buy in Denver, and I will be doing an in-depth review of the phone very soon, along with a head-to-head Pixel 4 versus Pixel 4a comparison video at some point in the near future as well. So stay tuned for that guys, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss those upcoming videos. Back to today's video, I picked up an AM Pro 2 from Amazon and it arrived yesterday afternoon. This keyboard is actually on sale right now for $89 at Amazon with free one-day shipping for Prime members, so I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick one of these up yourself. Alright, now for the unboxing. As you can see here, there is a magic function key which can mirror the behavior of function 1 or 2, basically makes it more easily accessible to your fingers. There's also double function keys which makes this 60% keyboard more versatile. It's got tap key, full RGB backlighting, which we will definitely get into later on in this video, and it also supports up to 64 offline macros. Apparently AM Pro's motto is persist in change, make it different. That's pretty deep, man. In the box you can see there are some replacement colorful keycaps, which is pretty cool, a tool to remove keys, and then also a fairly nice USB-C cable. The keyboard itself feels very solid. It weighs in at 1.37 pounds. This is probably the heaviest keyboard that I've ever owned myself. The weight feels reassuring. I'm definitely satisfied with the build quality of the frame. This keyboard has a 1900 milliamp hour battery, Bluetooth with support for up to 4 devices, plus a USB-C port for connectivity and charging. I was specifically looking for a keyboard that used USB-C, as that's quickly becoming the only cable that I really need for the vast majority of my devices. As far as the RGB, this is the first keyboard I've owned with RGB, so I don't have a great point of reference, but to my eye, the lighting is very bright and impressive. There are several modes, which you can see here in the software. In this shot, I'm cycling through all of the various RGB modes. I have been using an Apple Magic Keyboard for several years now, so moving to a mechanical keyboard is going to be a huge change, but I'm already starting to get used to the difference. Well, that's it for this quick unboxing video of the AM Pro 2 mechanical keyboard. I highly recommend this keyboard based on my initial impressions of it, but let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments section. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for lots of content in the days and weeks ahead, including that Pixel 4 versus Pixel 4a comparison video coming up soon. Well, that's it for now. See you guys in the next one.